If AI were to do your job tomorrow, what would you do? This is no longer a matter for the future. Millions of jobs are changing day by day. It is not just manual workers who are affected, but also office staff, accountants, designers, programmers, and more.
But the issue isn't AI stealing jobs. The issue is that the world is changing faster than our ability to adapt.
Individuals who perform only a single repetitive task will face greater challenges. In contrast, those who are capable of learning, innovating, and utilizing AI as a tool will find numerous opportunities for growth. So the question is no longer, can artificial intelligence replace humans? But rather, are you upgrading yourself before the market changes completely?
Jobs may disappear. Technology will continue to evolve. But the ability to learn and adapt is what determines your future.